Hi, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are here for the first time, I'm Gina Louise. I am still not on camera because I need a post self-isolation makeover. I've decided that I'm going to take a little portion of my backyard and I'm going to make a life-size fairy garden. I'm just in the mood to make a magical backyard this summer, and if you'd like to follow me and take this journey with me, I will be doing my DIYs and my posts and show you the transformation. Today's DIY, I'm going to show you how to make these moss-covered fairy frames, as I like to call them. And I saw this on Pinterest and just thought they were so pretty. So let's get crafting. We're going to start off with 3 different size Dollar Tree frames. And I'm doing this with reindeer moss and the Spanish moss. I wasn't sure which one I was going to like best. Burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree, your hot glue gun, and you're going to need an array of flowers from the Dollar Tree or whatever you have in your stash. This only takes a few items to make these, and they are so pretty and so worth the time. Or should I say, so worth the mess. Very simple. All we're going to do is put hot glue all around the frame and we're going to press our moss into it. I did it with both of them. I tried the reindeer moss, which is this green one, which is moist compared to the Spanish moss. The Spanish moss is like dry and it gets all over the place, but it has a brown color, and this has the green color. So I did one frame with all green, one frame with all brown, and then I did one frame with a mix because I really wasn't sure what I was going to like, but I ended up liking them all anyway. Now I'm just taking some pretty Dollar Tree flowers and I'm cutting the little plastic stem thing off the back and just hot gluing it onto the frame in whatever pattern that I think looks pretty. So just a little bit of pink embellishment on the green frame looks really, really nice. Here I'm adding just one lamb's ear leaf that looks pretty poking out from the pink flowers, and I'm gluing that down. And then I just took another piece of greenery and put it on the other end, hot glued that in, and I just like the way that looked as well. I just love the way it came out. And now I'm just going to take a piece of that burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to cut a small piece and glue it together around the top of the frame just so I have something to grab onto to nail it into the tree. And here's where I burn my fingers, which I should know better. And then after that, I hot glue it to my work surface. Yeah, make sure you have like a craft stick or something to press down on this because the burlap is just meshy like, and the glue comes right through when you burn yourself. So I know better, but I wasn't prepared, as usual. Now I'm going to do the middle frame, the 5x7 frame. So what I did, and I don't know if I mentioned it before, but you know, I take the back off, I get rid of the glass, save it for later on for a different project. And This is where I'm using the Spanish moss on this one. And you'll see how it's super dry. And I actually had to use my scissors to cut it from the big bunch. Because I could pull it a little bit, but it was just, I don't know, it was just making a big mess. And it was just easier to just cut clumps and hot glue them down. Now I'm doing the smallest frame, which is the 4x6. I remove everything like I did on the other two. And this one I decided to mix both mosses. So I did the brown and the green mixed together, and you'll see how that came out. I actually loved all of them. I don't have one that I liked better than the other. They just all looked really pretty hanging together. I took a piece of burlap here and I cut it down the center because it was too thick for the smaller frame, and that worked out a lot better. And here are the final results. If you would like to see the life-size fairy garden I am creating in my backyard, please subscribe to this channel so you can see when I post a new video. My next video, I'm going to show you the before photos, and then each DIY I'm going to add to the fairy garden. And come travel this little journey of a lifetime fairy garden with me this summer. Thanks for watching.